One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey y'all. Just got in. It's time to make dinner. Dun 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 dun. I don't know why I'm so animated right now, but I really did want to make some rice. But you see, like, in my rice bag set up, you see, I don't have long oliva rice, so this one little rice. So I'm gonna make some potatoes. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Okay, so potatoes, and then I season up my chicken from last night. See, Deno, yeah. You know, you have your all-purpose, you have your Maggi, you have, these are my favorite seasonings. Okay, this is one of the jerk seasonings that I use. I don't know if them sell it everywhere, but they sell it in Canada, I was about to say foreign, where some people want to reach after marriage to go. Then you have Maggi, season up all-purpose seasoning. I actually stole this from my uncle when we were coming back from Cuba. Well, I didn't actually steal it from him. I took some stuff for him, and he left this back. And then this seasoning, garlic, pepper, and herbs, bomb. And then you know curry, better pack, I want me ones. And those are like my favorite seasonings. So yeah, so this is ready to go.
Party all night, smoke weed daily. Call me girl and tell her say me nah go reach home in time, so she fi go and smoke weed with the matey. My brain kinda freeze up, smoke the weed and then me watch the rum a creep up. Some girl will never rate me, I tell me how them love me, I know them want to link up. Me diva.
You gotta make sure your pots and stuff are on, you know, your oil is warming up to fry the chicken and thing. I don't know if I'll go brown stew the chicken, because I did that brown stew chicken already this week. I wanted to do some barbecue wings, but that's not the option. I'm thinking I might like jerk it, but like boil jerky, if that makes any sense. Like, you know, I'm gonna fry it, then we'll go make it cook down, but you don't want jerk seasoning sauce, you know? Yeah. And I think that should be nice. So how was your guys' day? Was it good? Was it bad? Okay, that's good. I had a okay day today. I was pretty tired. Not telling no lie, I'm tired today at work. I feel like I do nothing. Like make like 2 calls. I said the time I just dip on my phone. I was trying to edit and all this type of stuff, but yeah, they work out for me too well. So I gotta actually put y'all down for a little bit, because vlog number 6 gotta go up today. VLOGMAS. We didn't put it I have tough. Alright. This is not my normal potato cutting knife anyways. Alright, wash your potatoes. into your boiling water. And then I add a little salt, lots of salt. And then I add my garlic and herbs. One of you season your waters and things, you know. One of you season up your things and things, you know. So yeah. Same thing, all when you know a cook and thing, you have to season up on the waters. Anything you know cook actually, you have to season up your waters. You know, when you cook down something, you still, when you add water, you put the seasoning in your water. You know, cause when you add more water, you dilute the seasoning. Hello. And then now, I could go start frying up the chicken. This now, don't season up and sing right there. Let's go. Alright, so that's how one fry people. Yeah, yummy. Ooh, it's gonna be so freaking good when it's done. This thing go turn up. What you know say? What you know hear about? You know nothing about chicken? So yeah. That's a go on pan, what I go and make that bubble up and sing. And you can see all the little seasonings and things on it, you know. See it go down in the island thing. And see, yeah. And then you put seeds on what? Whoa. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. And then when we're done, fry up the chicken them and thing. More come back because we still don't know what me have to do with the chicken and them. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I'm watching back to make sure everything's good. You guys would have already seen it by this time, so it's okay. Anyways, I just turned the chicken. Why does it look so red? It's really not that red. Yes. Pani sa panty no, this sa panty problem so. Yeah yo. I mean, if you stop using the answer me words, let me know. I'll make up my own. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit, you know, be back soon. Alright folks, now that the chicken is done fried, there you see it is done frying. I don't know why the camera make it look so black, you know, because it's not so black. But I love my wings crispy. So, I do make them extra crispy, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, we'll go take the Dutch pot now. The girls are talking to me in the chat right now and they're probably like, why is this bitch ignoring us? Now cook on one on the seat in the vlog, we did a cook here. So you're just gonna throw out the oil, the extra oil. So your Dutchie should look like that. Empty. Put that back. Make it, you know, hot up a little bit. And then I like to just make my chicken burn a little bit more in the pot before I add any extra waters or anything like that. Just want to make sure someone can see. Yeah, you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add the chicken then in the pot.
Oh, this is the I already left in there. In there.
One in there. Just like that, you guys. See, nothing else is in there. Just chicken alone in there. See, so them a guan. Like while on my potato. I don't know what's wrong with my tripod, but I'm not buying anything new for Jamaica. Okay? So while that is in there going on, put up with vegetables. Oh, why not do this? So this is a little bit of seasoning that I had left from what I was gonna say. I'm just gonna put everything in here.
Every trick can't kill you, so not just bad mind. And none of them bill you, them can't stop your shine. Cause when the things say them happy for you, them want you dead long time. Them a try rise up if you want you lose your head long time. Why people not nice and roll it, put my song a road. The people let me hear my voice and set on the road. Jeffrey's name a ring out like a name brand a road.
Okay, and then to prevent the burning, you guys, I don't know if you guys know, you can either wash your onion or leave the water running.
From the West Indies, brother. Them girl love me, come in and bring displeasure. Drive them crazy like a black Alteza. Them can't run the head of the Russia, never. High grade, which one you prefer? Some will make your head spin like them propeller. Talk about grab that hot than pepper. And if I just code our fashion better, I just a yard man thing. Yard man we love go hard and win. And every yard man dream of big foreign. Make mama alright, she no short thing. I just
Woo! Yeah.
to all my fucking enemies, them underestimate. Who see them a try test my fate? What if me want to show the fucking world a better side? What if me want to say the right thing and step aside? I know like me can't make no better rise. A simple thing for crack your fucking skull like pepper light. See me ya easy, you never know what's on my bad. Remember me roll with the blood clot gully god. This Jamil, push the wall, you must be mad. Dog, you know see your sense, them a fucking have.
I'm gonna go put little water. Alright, my hero, no? Okay. Woo! Do my water now. Add in little salt. Add in little Maggi. Garlic and herb, and I have another seasoning, garlic, pimento, and ginger. All right, and then because we're gonna make it little jerky, so I add a little jerk seasoning. Yeah, you. And just, if you guys could smell it. My daddy would be so proud. I'm gonna go on the other end. Look. Okay, so that's everything Mama cut up. I put it in there. You see how it's seasoned and flavorful, so you know this is gonna taste good. Yeah, girl. You're not new to this, you're not know. My hand them down, look. But we need my hand them to scrape out my action. It's because I will money to carry up Maggie thing. Yeah, yo. Okay. So we're just gonna give this a little stir. Yeah, 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 yeah. Put on the Dutch pot cover. Turn off this stove here because this must done cook now. Yeah, you soft and nice and to make that cool down and sing. And then, you know, in the meantime, you just clean up your kitchen areas. Their status center is dead or left forever. Done for now. See you guys Monday. So, okay. I'm gonna go finish uploading Vlogmas 6. So yeah, when I'm done cooking, I'll come back to you guys. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back. I added my tomatoes. Okay, see the water and everything are dry out now. And I added some ketchup as well. And you know, you have to add a little ketchup to make it gravy. I normally add ketchup and barbecue sauce, but I don't have any more barbecue sauce to help me use it out and thing. You know, you just sting it around and stuff. And like you guys, it smells so divine. But yo, I wish you guys could really see the flavors. And ting, let it bubble up. It's soon done. This is gonna be so good. So you guys, that's my boiled jerk chicken. Okay? Comment, like, subscribe, let me know. I'm not happy to come and also it is. My mother can't cook, my father can't cook. My mom can't cook. Some mashed potatoes. Oh God, lunch the people them say them big see me always like, yeah, because I'm gone. We go cook for them and thing. So, you know. Sing up. It's sing good. It's sing good. I'm trying to watch Teen Mom, the last episode. And I'm also rendering my video. It's on 21%. Yes, so it's soon done and go up. I'm trying to watch Teen Mom, the reunion special. And then I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna do. I was gonna read out some comments, but I'm thinking I might save it for tomorrow. I don't know why I'm still having this hat here. Like say. Now one special smuddy, oh God. Oh yeah. So yeah, that's all for now. Soon come. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm hungry. It's kind of late. It's like 9 o'clock, but I'm hungry. So I forgot that I'm doing Vlogmas. I'm not gonna lie for a second. Hold on. I forgot I was doing Vlogmas for a second. I was in this chat with the girls. Oh my God. I was in the chat with the girls. And we were talking, you know, just talking about girl stuff. And like, I posted the vlog, but I had to delete it because there was a copyright for this stupid song. Like, all these friggin' Vibes Cartel songs are just giving me copyright. So I had to delete it and put another song in. So now I'm currently rendering it and trying to go upload it. And I know I'm going to go back to like 1,000 messages because we chat like there's no tomorrow. Like, I feel like we've talked about literally everything under the sun within a matter of months. Like, You know, like I feel like I've known them for such a long time. It's so authentic and so intelligent. Yo, I swear to you, I'm mere mad people been talking to yo, but yo, this conversation was hilarious. Like, bro. Yo, but yo, I love them. Yo, like, it's not even like no like fake type of shit. This is some genuine, you know, like it's cool. I'm glad that I was given this opportunity to work with them. God knows what he's doing when he's doing what he's doing. So yeah, I'm gonna fry up some plantain, and I have some. Oh, and since we're talking about the girls, I might as well remind you guys about hey. Yeah, so I have some yam left over from the other night when we cook it. So I'm just gonna slice these up and fry them up. And yummy. I miss a late night snack. I miss a late night frock. I miss a late night frock. I miss a late night sock. Yay, 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 yay. I miss a late night mock. I miss a late night jock. I miss a late night. Music was never my thing, okay? Okay? Yo, I'm a eat that in real life, guys. In real life, I'm just a normal person. I'm no Beyonce or Jay-Z. I've never traveled not traveled, toured anywhere or anything like that, you know? There's nothing special about me. I'm just, you know, simple and intelligent, regular human being that people can, I guess, somewhat relate to. Are you dumb? Take this off. Like, what's your problem? Anyhow, you guys, this is what I'm dealing with right now. I don't know why it's looking like this, the quality, forgive me, but yeah, this is what's up for now. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna go charge it. Let me see. Oh, 64%. Oh, 65%. So yeah, it's taking forever. I hope this is focused on me. So annoying. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna finish up this, eat this, and then yeah, I have about an hour before I go to bed. So I think that's it for today. It's not really much. It's during the week, you know, I have work and stuff, so there's not really going to be much that I'm going to be doing, but somebody suggested cooking, so I showed you guys what I cooked today. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to make. I just take out whatever I see in the freezer in the morning and take it out, and I come home and I figure out what I'm going to make based on what I took out. So we'll see what's there tomorrow. I don't really have a lot in my freezer. This is what my freezer looks like. I got ice, garlic bread, fries, juice, freezing to take to work. I don't know what kind of meat this is. Chicken foot, some other stuff. Fish, I think that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. There's callaloo, ice cream, yogurt popsicles. This some drink I went to Jamaica like how many trips ago, and it's still in my freezer. I refuse to remove it. Taquitos, bami, vegetable, some crab, lobster meat, I think. I don't even know, but yeah. It's very eclectic in there, okay? We're not racist to any type of foods. Well, actually, I am. But anyways, yeah. That's all I think for today. Oh, you know what? Let me start doing this. Alright, so cross, cross, cross. The 4th is gone, the 5th is gone. The 6th is gone. The 6th is gone. So we're almost there, you guys. It's almost time. It's almost time. It's almost time to say see you later. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you're new, subscribe, vlog, like, leave a comment. Leave your comments. I love that you guys will be commenting to me and stuff. You know, I feel like I got more friends now in life, you know. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh wait, update. So good. You are so good, planting to me. Yeah. My planting song. Yeah. Bye.
Give me girl, I'm rumming on me hand, every day is Christmas.